tomorrow. I'll live with delight, feed the horses, chop the wood, chase the morning light. I'll walk through gardens, breathe in the air, with fields of green, love everywhere. Starting tomorrow, I'll write to my own, telling them stories of joy I have known. And like lightning flashing across the night, happiness speaks, and I'll share its light. Give every river and mountain a name, sing to the sky, let love remain. Strangers I'll meet, may blessings find you, a bright tomorrow and love that is true. Through all the storms, through all the strife,